Why, hello, Eric. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So today you will be looking at Code Black again, and you'll be making note of any changes that have occurred on the site, and also what you like and what you still don't like, and just your overall commentary about the restructuring and redesign. So are you ready?
Cool. Yes.
Okay, so let's begin by you logging into Code Black.
Okay. So I see some Wussel or Woosel
Mhm.
emblems on the sides. I like that. Don't have an account, sign up. I like that. I don't know if you have to put this, but if so, we love it. I'm gonna click sign up here. So I'll put in username, password. Okay, submit. I like that the privacy statements at the beginning. That's really cool. Same thing with community guidelines. Now, I see that it's not, the colors have changed a lot. That's really cool. You have a header bar. I like that. Chat with alumni. I don't know if I can click these.
Yes, you can.
I can. Okay. Nope. I like the color of the site. It looks a lot better. I like the neutrals with the browns, with the different shades of browns, and the white on the inside. Um, is this the new discussion board layout, or what is this? The chat with.
Um, yeah, so that is the new discussion board layout, and it's like pretty similar if you go on like the other like tabs and whatnot. It's pretty similar.
Oh, oh okay. I'm on discussion board right now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I guess one thing that would be, so is this the homepage?
Yes, this is the homepage.
Okay. Yeah, I guess one thing that kind of threw me off was that when I logged in, it took me straight to the discussion board page instead of the homepage, unless I was looking at something wrong. But that was a little interesting. Okay.
Mhm.
Mission statement, I love it. Announcements, I love it. Executive, cool, cool, cool. I like all the social media stuff. I think I can click on this. Yes, I like this. Interest soccer. I love that. I guess that's the log out. One thing that you guys took out that I actually thought was really cool was the back button. I don't think it really matters that much. Yes, I like soccer. Okay, boom. That's really cool. So I'll go to events. This is, so I think you guys took out the calendar, right?
Why don't you click on event two to check it out?
Event two. I'm going. I like that. I like this a lot. Go back to the events. Okay, yeah, I like this. The events is really nice. Like I said, one cool thing would be a back button that I can go back instead of having to click this again.
Mhm.
Also, the add event form is nice. The colors are a lot different. I like the filter as well. That's really cool. Going to resources. I love the colors for this. But internships and full-time jobs. So would it be like a list of,
Yes, so ideally this would be a list of summer internships, work studies, general tips and whatnot. And then on the left, you'd be able to click and filter them out. So what you're seeing is the holder text for now.
okay, I like that. Reach out for help. Who am I talking to? Oh, yeah, who would I be talking to in this case?
So you'd be talking with a mentor, and that mentor would either be someone who is older, or they would actually be alumni. So, but they would both be WashU affiliated and former students or current students.
Would it be a live chat or would it be like something where you message them and it just sits there until they get online?
So it would be a chat and then like a notification that would pop up that like somebody chatted them. And then also like if you were to click the if you were to click the Zoom,
Mm-hmm.
then like you would be able to like directly Zoom with them and whatnot, and you could later like schedule. You could like schedule like the meeting, obviously with like Zoom and whatnot.
Okay, dope. I love that. I like that you added the study tips and match with the mentor inside this page. Makes it a lot more simple.
So you like this restructuring?
Yeah. Because I think the homepage was very cluttered at first. I like that you added the computer science names as well. With the rating, that seems new. I think that's really cool. So what would the filter in this case do?
So in this case, it would be so I know that you're seeing the holder text. So people would be able to in their descriptions like filter, they'd be able to put not filter, but tags on what they were talking about, like the specificities. So you would be able to see like tags like and like I guess reviews and descriptions that had these tags because they would be referencing like lab assignments or homeworks or quizzes and whatnot.
Okay, dope. I like that. I like it. And I like this add a computer science elective. I know we talked about that. That's really cool. Cool. I guess one thing I would expect this to go to like a page where you would add something rather than kind of like a similar page as the other ones.
Mm-hmm. So that's something that you believe that we should add like as an additional page?
I guess it's just like once you click it, it's kind of just it looks exactly like the other ones.
Mhm.
And I would expect something where like you can either make this like a miscellaneous or just all electives combined into this, or you can make it to where someone like goes to a page where they create it and then it shows up on the screen. Either way, I still think it's very nice. So go back to resources, match with the tutor.
And so what are some things that you noticed on Match with the Tutor that are different from before?
Availability looks more specific now. I like that. I like this autosave availability for a later date. This seems pretty much the same, and I like the learning style. I think that'll be very helpful. Let's see, match with the study group. I'm assuming, okay, this is different. I like how you have the make one and then the join a study group in the same thing. I don't know why, but I really like how the width and the study is bold. I don't know what it means. I just like it. Let's see if we go to study tips, or we did this. Scholarships. I like how you have the scholarships as well. The reach out for help, I'm assuming we'll go to this page. I like that. And mental health. So would this just be a page where people post things about mental health as well?
Yes, and then also being able to connect to mental health like specialists, that you'd be able to have like a more individual, like one-on-one discussion.
Okay. Would these specialists be like people from Habif? Or would
they would be a mix of like people from like Habif, but more people like outside that are like close by and accessible.
Okay.
And that are under like plans that are available. WashU.
That makes sense. I like that. I think that's all of the resources. Council activism, idea but need a group, join an organization. Let's see what this is doing. What's your great idea? Name of project, icon for project. I like that. Then you can create a chat. Okay, I like that. That's very nice. Again, like a back button would be nice, so I don't have to go all the way up here. Join an organization, shows the organization. This pretty much looks the same. Yes, I like the new chats. The new chats look very nice. And this who's online is nice. Oh, you can click on our profiles. I like that. I guess one thing about the who's online, it might get kind of cluttered. So maybe making a picture smaller or just having names might be a little easier. But I can see this space getting cluttered, especially, and just making it scrollable as well. But I can see it getting cluttered with those icons being so big. And about the discussion board, Okay, discussion board has it too. That's nice. Okay. Well, yeah.
Yes. So now that you've toured like the general site, I just have a couple quick questions for you.
Hmm.
So what are three features that you that you noticed that we prioritized on the site from the last time you saw it?
Um, Kind of making a actual homepage, making a header bar. And one thing I've noticed that I kind of talked about last time was that on your homepage, you pretty much had resources, I think study tips, match with the study group and match with the tutor and resume editing. They were all on different like pages or tabs.
Mhm.
I see you guys put this on the same tab so you can make space for other stuff. I think that's really nice.
And then another question that I had was what are three things that you changed that you feel that are useful for like other people?
Um, Useful for what do you mean by other people, like non-comp sci students?
Like in terms of like just navigating the site and whatnot, like whether it's with the discussion board or with study tips.
Oh, you're talking about like things on the site. Okay.
Yeah.
The internships and full-time jobs, scholarships, and just this matching stuff, I think is nice. I think the discussion board is useful, but it kind of helps that everything pretty much allows you to tap into the discussion board one way or another. We can like reach out to others. I think that's really nice.
And my final question for you is about the Net Promoter Score. Um, so the Net Promoter Score, you know, it's from a scale from 0 to 10. So 0 to 6 are people who would be detractors and wouldn't recommend this site.
Mhm.
And then people who are 7 to 8 would be people who are neutral or ambivalent. And then people who are like 9 to 10 would be people who like recommend the site. So based on the changes that we've made, what would your score be?
Um, Definitely 9.5 maybe.
Mhm.
Very nice. I think it looks a lot better and it's a lot easier to use than last time. Last time it just looked like a bunch of text that was cluttered. I'll be very excited to use something like this. I think what would make it a 10 is just kind of like, I don't know, we just have to see it in action. Once we see it in action, we might get up to a 10, but definitely a 9 for now.
Well, thank you so much, Eric, for all your feedback. And I hope you have a great day.
Yes, you too. Cool. We good?